In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change notification tone on your WhatsApp channel. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so WhatsApp channel notification sound can be changed. If you don't like your current notification sound, you can change this by just going to your channel and then tap on it to expand or see more settings. From here, scroll down and then go to notifications. Here, if you tap on notifications, you can see we have various types of notifications such as follow activity notifications and admin activity notifications. To change your notification tone, choose whether you want to do it for follow activity notifications or admin notifications or both. So I'll begin with follow activity notifications. Here you can see the current notification that is in use. To change this, just tap on it, and here you can change these notifications from sound. If you go to sound here, you will get default sound from Android, or if you want to use your own custom notification, you can choose from your music here to choose your notification tone. So I'll go to sound here, and you can see we have the current default notification. If I tap on it, you will know your current notification sound. So you can change this to any as you wish. So for instance, I'll select this and then go to OK. So I'll have changed it. Now for admin activity notifications, you can also change this from the current one. So I'll just go to this and go to sounds here again and change this from default notification to the one that I wish. So you can set up different notifications for the two so that you can distinguish them. Once you are done, again, just tap on OK here and your notifications will be changed. So that's how you can change your notification tones on your WhatsApp channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.